OMA. Tutorial, carpet life. Carpet life. Man, cleaning carpet is my passion, and this is what we do. So we clean it all houses. We're gonna keep stressing it. All houses, we don't discriminate. And all of them love OMA, they love us. You need your carpets clean, 240-755-2420. And one customer loved me so much, he said, you know what? I'm gonna give you some Beat earphones because I don't wanna be disturbed. And motherfucker, you do a hell of a good job. God damn, OMA, give us a call.